Nike Sabrina 3 All-Star is set to release on July 18, 2025, during the WNBA All-Star Weekend, arriving in both adult and G sizes. Dressed in an orange, yellow, and black palette, it aligns with Nike Incorporated's broader All-Star initiatives, which also include releases like the Nike Own and Air Jordan 3. Unique design elements include a suede lateral swoosh, a reverse swoosh on the medial midsole, and visible stitch lines forming a wavy midfoot pattern. Thick Flywire cables serve as both a lockdown system and lace eyelets. Performance specs returned from previous models: forefoot zoom air and updated Cushlon foam for optimal responsiveness. Since signing with Nike in spring 2020, Sabrina Ionescu has become a leading figure in the evolution of women's signature footwear. With the upcoming launch of the Sabrina 3, her line continues to push boundaries in both performance and style, marking a strong third chapter in her growing sneaker legacy.